Well, once you're up for the vaccine, where do you get it? News 8's David Williams brings us that part of our team coverage. David?
Phil, spring of next year, February or March, is when the U.S. government says the general public should expect the COVID vaccine to be available. Now, when you are able to come to pharmacies like this one to get that vaccine, you should expect it to be similar to getting a flu shot. The U.S. is getting ready for a massive effort to distribute COVID vaccines to millions of Americans. And who is going to help with this? CVS and Walgreens.
Once we get into sort of general distribution, I suspect that not only ourselves and Walgreens, but there's going to be a number of other pharmacy chains and grocers who will be involved in it. And I think that using all those various outlets, we're going to have very good penetration across the United States.
Walgreens says the vaccines will be available in all of their stores across the country when approved for mass distribution. CVS Health also shared their plans to have the vaccine at all of their locations. And once they are up and running, they will have the capacity to administer 20 to 25 million shots every month. For the general public, CVS tells me appointments will be required for COVID vaccinations. You'll be prompted to schedule both your first dose and booster shot at the same time. You'll also get a vaccine card after your first dose, as well as follow-up reminders. Walgreens says their pharmacists and immunizing technicians will be responsible for administering the vaccine.
We're creating online apps, ways that we can actually have them sign up online. We can verify their eligibility and then schedule them times not only for their first shot, but also for the subsequent shot to ensure they have serious completion where it's necessary.
Now, what about cold storage? Well, a CVS rep tells me all 10,000 locations nationwide are already able to freeze and refrigerate 5 of the 6 vaccines, including Moderna. Now, for Pfizer, which requires that very cold storage, CVS tells me their pharmacies already are capable of doing that, and they already have a third party for that cold storage. Now, for Walgreens, they say that they have ultra cold freezers and dry ice, and they are using hubs to store vaccines that need that sub-zero cold. For now, we're live in Indianapolis. I'm David Williams, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.